Have you ever wished your YouTube video descriptions were more engaging? Yeah, me neither. But StreamElements just changed all that. Let's take a look at Mercury. Hey sandwiches, welcome back to the channel. I'm IVANTASANDiWICH, and if you're new here, thanks for passing through. Hit that subscribe button down below and the like notification, also the bell. All those things are necessary for us to get your order complete. And you don't want to miss any of those future videos. I promise. They're good. We cover streaming tech, tutorials, PC builds, and lots of other stuff. I stream on Twitch every Tuesday and Saturday at 6 PM Eastern Standard Time. If you have any questions about anything you hear in this video or any of my other videos, feel free to drop in there or in the Discord. Me and the community are more than happy to help you out, I can guarantee it. Now that the obligatory YouTube crap is out of the way, let's just jump into what StreamElements Mercury actually is and how it's gonna help you with your YouTube video descriptions. So what's Mercury, you might ask? Well, let me tell you. It's a series of widgets that StreamElements developed that updates dynamically as things occur on the YouTube channel. It's somewhat of a novel idea, and I venture that it's going to be the norm going forward with content creators and YouTubers. In addition, Mercury also makes it easier for you to shout out the newest members of your community, so you can see some of the examples of their overlay videos here. And we'll go through how to make one of those later in the video as well. Now, it won't change whether or not your content is good, like mine. But it does give the viewers more opportunity to engage with the content and the creators that they like on YouTube. Think about that. Now, with that general description out of the way, let's head on over to the computer and we will go through the dashboard and go through each of these widgets to see exactly what they look like and how they work. Grab your lunchbox when we go on the computer. All right, so now we're gonna dive right in. There's a couple ways you can get to the Mercury dashboard. So the first way, and this is how I found out about Mercury, is the StreamElements homepage. So if you look at the top here, there is a Get Started. If you click on this, it'll take you to mercury.streamelements.com, which is the starting page for Mercury. So you see this, there's a little overview. It's a 50-second video of kind of what it does. So you hit Get Started. It'll ask you to log in. I'm going to use my main YouTube account here. And then it brings you into the dashboard page. So this is essentially like the YouTube Studio dashboard. Let's jump right into the set a subs goal. So this is going to take us over here to the My Videos tab. I've already set up a few widgets on some of these. You can see which widgets I have set up. So I have a subscriber widget and a tipping link widget here on this one, and only a subscriber widget on this video. If you ever want to filter off the videos that don't have widgets, just toggle this option here, and then it'll take all the videos that don't have widgets off out of the list. To add a widget, we just click Add Dynamic Widgets. It'll take us into the video, pulls up the description that we currently have, and then it shows you on the right your available widgets you could add here. So for me, I've set my subscriber goal at 250. We're going to be doing a 24-hour stream when we get to 250 subscribers. Go subscribe down below, press that red button there, be awesome. You know what to do. If at any point you want to change this subscriber goal, it does work. It changes across the entire channel, so you can't do it per video, unfortunately. But you can type like 2,000 and then apply as channel goal. I don't want to do that right now, but that's what you would do, and it would change all of the widgets in all of your video descriptions to 2,000 or whatever number you choose. There's also a way that if you don't like pressing red buttons, we can actually add a link into the description where people can click the link instead. If you're a streamer, here we go. Big brain for streamers. Take this link, right? So let's just drag it in. Let's do some stuff up top here. Let's space this out. So now I have this link, right? And I can preview it, and I can copy this link, or let's show more. It won't let me do the whole thing. So I can copy the link, and I can put this into like a Twitch bot, for example, and I can run it through as a timer, and people can just click on this, and you know, when you click, it takes you to the YouTube page, and it brings up that subscribe option, so they don't have to click a button. There's no clicking a red button. So boom, as you can see, at any point, you can just preview what it's gonna look like here. Let's keep going through some of these widgets. So we've already set our subscriber goal. And let's say I would like to do, I don't know, some text beforehand. So let's reach our subscriber goal. And you can do like, you know, you can put little like images here and stuff. And I'll get this up here. So now we have this, and you can look, we're 80% to our goal. And it actually, this bar will update as we get new subscribers. So So this dynamically over time, as you collect more subscribers, will update, and so you'll have this progress bar fill up once it hits 250. And that's pretty neat. I think that's a pretty neat feature here. So there's that, and then you can say, you know, and the link, so they can click on the link, and then we can say, let's say, leave your server a tip. Leave your server a tip, please, and we can add the tipping link, right? So boom. See how easy this is? You just click and drag stuff in. Let's add over here. We have, and again, you can put anything you're able to like put into a YouTube description. You can add here as well. You can put the latest tippers here. So we can say mine's blank, so it's not going to show anything. But let's say, you know, thanks for the tip. For the tip, yeah. Let's create a poll here. So I don't actually have a poll, but what this does is when you drag it in, it allows you to create this poll. And this all happens within the YouTube description. Again, that's the whole point here. So let's say, all right, and then we can put yes. You get up to 5 options here. No. And then you can add up to 5 more options. Each of these are 28 characters. Let's close it out. And there you go. So now it has your dust sandwich and your haircut. And then it tells you, again, with the same sort of progress bar deal, what the community would like to see. So what the results of the poll are in real time, which is pretty dope. So again, we preview all of this. So let's go ahead and apply it to the video. Apply. And now if we go down here, you can see, here's the video we used. We have a subscriber widget, we have a tipping widget, and we have the poll active here. So you can see all of your widgets that are active on each video by clicking the My Videos tab over here. So let's go ahead and go to this video, view in channel. We go to view the video, which I won't play here, because this one's the bad one. We can see that there's the subscribe link. We have our widget up here. We have the latest subscriber. And then we have the tipping link, which we'll go through the tipping page in just a second here, because you can set that up and customize it how you want. But then you've got your poll. So you can click on this, and it'll take you to the actual poll page. And whichever one you clicked, it shows, okay, here's what you voted yes. So I would not be able to click no, because I already voted. All right, cool stuff. So it took about 5 minutes or so, but now you can see that it has updated with my poll vote of yes, I need a haircut. So I don't know. You guys let me know what the poll for today is going to be, or what the results going to be, and let's customize this tipping page. It's pretty straightforward, and again, if you're a streamer and you've used StreamElements especially, this is going to be very, very familiar to you. It's pretty standard. You just connect your PayPal. And once that's connected, you can essentially start accepting money via PayPal. So with the personalized tipping message, you just need to type in what you want it to say. You have 250 characters to convey your appreciation and your gratitude towards everybody who tips. If you'd like to tip, I have a tipping link down below. I appreciate it, and I really convey my gratitude to you via this spiel right here. And then once they actually tip, you can put a thank you message, and it does pull the user parameter, so that way you can thank the you can actually thank that person directly rather than it being some generic thank you for the tip. It's awesome. Now you can say thank you, IVANTASANDiWICH, for the tip. You are the best kind of sandwich. You know, something along those lines. So yeah, and then you can view the tipping page at any point. Tells you what it looks like. You can type in your name, leave blank to be anonymous, put the amount down here, and then pay with PayPal. Super duper easy. Alrighty, so let's talk about the shout out videos, because that's the last thing that we have to talk about here. Alright, so what we can do, and all of these aren't even available yet, but this is why I'm hopeful for the future, because it allows you to check the new memberships you've got, new subs, plus the notification bell, merch, sponsorships, Patreon, join, tips, anything, any metric that they see meaningful, you are able to add in to your video. But once you select the type of credits you want, you are going to then pick the design. Right now, they only have a very select few amount of colors. Once you're done with everything, you download the file. Let's go. We get started here. So now we get to decide who we're going to shout out. I can only do a subscriber shout out, which is what you saw earlier. And then you have the time frame of where you want the metrics to be looked at. You want to pull the metrics from a specific time frame. I did that since the last video, but you can say, let's say just the past week. So if you're a weekly YouTuber, that's almost the last video anyway. But the past week, let's say the past month, whatever the case is, since the last video, it's really up to you. The max you can do is 50, so you can bring this down, but you cannot go higher than 50. And then what you want to do is you want to select your color scheme, see which one you like. I picked the blue and black personally. And then if you like it on the left, you can do this too, with the same color schemes. So find one you like, and then all you do is hit generate WebM file. It asks you to double check everything, make sure this all looks right. If it looks good, hit generate and download. It'll do this. And then once this bar is finished, you'll have a download link. And all you gotta do is download it, put it in your video, chroma out the green part, or whatever color they use, and you're good to go. You got yourself a nice little overlay. So I think that's pretty much it. So there you have it. That's a pretty solid overview of what Mercury has to offer, if I do say so myself. And it's not a feature that's going to increase your views or make you a better content creator, but it is an interesting tool that will increase engagement beyond the comments. What did you like most about Mercury? Let me know in the comments below. Also, check out the poll in the description. I don't know what it is yet, but it's probably something that's going to affect one of the future videos coming up. So click those links, see how it works firsthand. If you need any other sandwich content for your hunger fix, remember to check me out on Twitch Tuesday and Saturday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll go over any questions you might have about Mercury or about any other features that we have going on the Twitch channel over there. Like I said, it's pretty interactive, pretty immersive. It's awesome. We also have the Discord if you have questions there when I'm not online. Check that out. All the links are in the description below, and I can't wait to see you there. As always, guys, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate each and every one of you. I love you, and I'll see you next weekish. If you made it this far in the video, type what your favorite sandwich condiment is down there in the comments. I'll know. I'll know who's True Sandwich Game. Love you guys. See you next week. Ish.